You're listening to Urban Internet News, national news and information for and about people of color.
Welcome to UIN. I'm Alexander Caden, along with Brooklyn Alexander. Brooklyn?
Celebration of life services for the late Congressman John Lewis continue in Washington, D.C. today with the public viewing. The 6 days of memorials, which began Saturday in Alabama, included ceremonies at the state capitol in Georgia, concluding with a private service at Ebenezer Baptist Church on Thursday morning at 11 o'clock in Atlanta. The service will be closed to the public because of COVID-19 precautions. Lewis died last Friday from complications of pancreatic cancer. Known as the conscience of Congress, the representative served in the position for 30 years. Congressman John Lewis was 80 years old.
President Donald Trump said he won't throw out the first pitch at a New York Yankee game with the Boston Red Sox on August 15th because he'll be too busy addressing what he calls the China virus.
At a speech from the White House last week, President Trump had his own theory on increases in coronavirus cases in the U.S., blaming Black Lives Matter protesters and people crossing the Mexican border.
The NAACP has inked a multi-year partnership with CBS Television Studios. Under the deal, the NAACP will create an array of scripted and unscripted projects designed for streaming platforms and television. Lebron James is helping Florida's ex-felons pay fees so they can vote. His campaign is partnering with a Florida voting rights group to help formerly incarcerated people pay the fines that block them from casting their vote. Senator Kamala Harris has announced a new bill intended to address equality in the hospital system. It's a $200 million anti-racism initiative aimed at medical professionals and healthcare providers. The bill aims to deter racism in the medical profession and create accountability to prove that patients of color are receiving equal care. Melinda Gates, the wife of billionaire Bill Gates, has reportedly suggested in a recent interview with Time magazine that Black and Latino people should be the first to get the COVID-19 vaccine once it becomes available. However, many African Americans are very skeptical about vaccines since they've been used by the U.S. government in the past to knowingly inject Black people with diseases.
You've been listening to UIN. For news and information for and about people of color, visit our website at uinews.net.